logging. So after login, you again click on apply visa and you come to this. So here we have two options, apply for individual groups. So for the purpose of this video, I click on this. So now you have to select the location that you're gonna apply to, because you need to apply with hard copies, right? So let's say you're doing it, okay, all the locations are here. Wow, they have Kolkata also. I have been there. Delhi they have. Maybe they might have entered it as New Delhi. Yeah, how this cannot be there. Document I'm over 18 years. Yes. Next. Individual accept. So read everything and once you're okay, go to next. Surname, date of birth. Do it as per your own case. Okay. Don't do it as what you see. I'm just putting samples. Country of birth. Place of birth. City. Check with your passport also, guys. It should match. National ID number. I had used my PAN card number in various visa applications. Every time I was successful. Current nationality. India does not allow dual nationality, so there could not be other nationalities if you are an Indian national. Gender. Civil status. It's a single. I have checked that my current surname are written in the passport. Okay, yeah. This you have to. Still. Wow. What am I missing? Oh, have to return. Sorry. Main this or surname. Sorry, I have to apologize, guys. Surname Smith, family name. Now it's address. Of course, you know your address. I don't have to tell you. You know your postal code also. You know your city and country also. So I don't have to worry about that. Email address is very important, guys. Don't do like this because notifications and all will come there only. Country code. India is 2091. Does someone or example individual have parental responsibility for you? I select no. Wish to apply under the EU rules? I select no. Do you work? I select yes. Occupation. Expert, I just select optional, but I would recommend even if there is some optional field, definitely provide values. Why to hide something? Of course, you know all this. Travel documents. Your travel document. Be very careful, guys. Issued by country. Date of issue. Example. Expiry. You currently live reside in a country other than the country of nationality. I select no. Have you ever had your fingerprint read before for the purpose of traveling to Schengen? I select no. And a member state of main destination. Member state of destination, if applicable. So this is not mandatory, but if you have, definitely provide that. Purpose of the journey. I select tourism. Additional information if you want to provide, but definitely provide. Number of entries requested. I select one. Intended date of arrival. Engine. So let's say 15. I'll put November. Departure 15 December. You will enter first. I select Denmark. Rather through Schengen, do you have an entry permit for the final? Not applicable in this case. Invited you to Schengen area. I select no. Hotel where you're gonna be staying. Address of your hotel. Of course, you know, city, postal code, country, email address. If you have booked already, you'll find all that in your booking receipt. Phone number. Cost of traveling by the applicant. Self. Cash, credit card, transport, traveler's check. Do it whatever is applicable in your case. Next. Do you have an invitation made online by your host? I select no. Summary. So you can check all, you can go and check all the things that you have entered. And if you want to make any change, you can. Once you're ready, go to the payment and do the payment. Then after the payment is done, you need to download and sign this. Okay. And then along with other documents, you need to go to Visa Application Center that I showed you, that VFS for India. There you need to apply in person. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. And please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.